Welcome to Study Learning. আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টোত মই আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ গৈ আছো HSLC ক্লাছ 10ৰ ইংৰাজীৰ এটা লেসনৰ কুৱেশ্যন আনসাৰৰ বিষয়ে। সো ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল তোমালোকে এই ভিডিঅ'টো মিছ নকৰিবা, অন্তিম সময়লৈ চাই থাকিবা, কাৰণ এই ভিডিঅ'টোত মই বহুতো ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যনৰ বিষয়ে ডিছকাছ কৰিছোঁ, কুৱেশ্যন আনসাৰৰ বিষয়ে ডিছকাছ কৰিছোঁ। মই আশা কৰোঁ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল ইয়াৰ পৰা তোমালোকৰ নিশ্চয় কমন থাকিব। আৰু যদি তোমালোকে এতিয়াও চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই, চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ৰাখিবা। তেনেহলে আহক ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে হু আৰ প্ৰাঞ্জল এণ্ড ৰাজবীৰ। আনসাৰ প্ৰাঞ্জল এণ্ড ৰাজবীৰ are classmates. They read at school in Delhi. Second question to is who is Rajbir's classmate? Rajbiror সহপাঠী কোন? Answer Pranjal is Rajbir's classmate. Pranjal হয় Rajbiror সহপাঠী অর্থাৎ classmate. 3 number question to is what is Pranjal's father? Answer Pranjal's father is a manager of Dekiabari Tea Estate in Upper Assam. ইয়াৰ পিছৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে why has Rajbir come to Assam? Or answer Pranjal has invited Rajbir come to Assam during summer vacation, so he has come. 5 number question who did call out in high pitched voice as chai gram gram chai? Or how did the vendor call out as chai gram chai? Or what did the vendor call out? এই তিনিটা কুৱেশ্যনৰ আনসাৰ এটাই হয়। তোমালোকে এটা আনসাৰ শিকিলে এই তিনিটা কুৱেশ্যনৰ আনসাৰটো শিকা হৈ যাব। ইয়াৰ এই কুৱেশ্যন কেইটাৰ আনসাৰ হৈছে the vendor called out in high pitched voice as chai gram chai. What did Pranjal ask to the vendor? Answer Pranjal asked 2 cups of tea from the vendor. Or episode question 2 is what was almost everyone doing in the compartment of Pranjal? Answer almost everyone in the compartment of Pranjal was drinking tea. Here pisor question 2 is how much cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world? Answer 2 is over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk throughout the world every day. Why did Pranjal not share Rajbir's excitement? Answer Pranjal had been born and brought up on the plantation, so he was well known to them and did not share Rajbir's excitement. Describe the magnificent view seen by Rajbir. Answer the sea of tea bushes beings against the backdrop of densely wooded hills, and this sea spreads as far as the eye could see. The thin tea bushes were dwarfed at the same height. Amidst the orderly rows of tea bushes there were groves of tea placards. They were seen as doll-like figures. In the distance there was smoke blowing through the chimney of a dirty building. Describe the Chinese legend about the discovery of tea. এইটো বহুতো ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় কুৱেশ্যন, তোমালোকে এই কুৱেশ্যনটো মিছ নকৰিবা। আনসাৰ according to the Chinese legend Once an emperor always boiled water before drinking. One day a few leaves of twigs fell into the water which was boiling. This boiling water gave delicious flavor. These leaves are called tea leaves. Your episode question 2 is describe the Indian legend about the discovery of tea. Answer. এইটো ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়, মিছ নকৰিবা এই দুয়োটা. The Indian legend about the discovery of tea is an ancient Buddhist ascetic named Bodhidharma cut off his eyelids because he felt sleepy during meditation. 10 tea plants grew out of the eyelids. The leaves of these plants, when put in hot water and drunk, vanished sleep. Who described the legend about the discovery of tea to whom? Answer. Rasbir described the legend about the discovery of tea to Pranjal. When and where was tea first drunk? Answer. Tea was first drunk in China in about 2700 BC. Mention 3 Chinese words which are related to tea. The Chinese words which are related to tea are chai, chini and tea. When did tea come to Europe? Why did the European take tea? Tea came to Europe only in the 16th century. The European looked tea more as medicine than as beverage. What do the tea pluckers have with them at the time of tea plucking? Answer. When the tea pluckers pluck newly sprouted tea leaves, they have bamboo baskets on their backs and they wear plastic aprons to keep them clean. Why did Pranjal's father slow down his car on the reed? Answer. Pranjal's father slowed down his car to allow a tractor to pass. 19. What flush or sprouting period yields the best tea? Answer. The second flush or sprouting period yields the best tea. It lasts from May to July. Your episode 20 number question to এইটো important হয় question এইটো মিছ নকৰিবা. Describe the Dekiavari tea estate seen by Rasbir. Answer. When the car in which they were driving veered off the main road, they crossed a cattle bridge and entered the Dekiavari tea estate. On sides of the gravel road there were acre upon acre of tea bushes. All were neatly prone to the same height. The tea pluckers were plucking tea leaves wearing plastic aprons and they have a bamboo basket on their backs. The road was somehow narrow, so Pranjal's father slowed down his car to pass a tractor.